Alright, we're back to it. We want to find the missing y value from point B. Alright, so we have point A, point B, and we have the distance, so we're going to be using distance formula. Distance is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So what we're going to do here is we're going to label our subscripts x1, y1, x2, y2, and our distance right there. So we have the square root of 2 is equal to the square root of -6 minus -5 squared plus y minus 8 squared. From here, I notice I need to get rid of this radical, so that's going to be our first step. Square root of 2 is equal to the square root of -6 plus 5 squared plus y minus 8, y minus 8. So I'm going to square both sides. Cancels, 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 cancels. Lucky this one did, I guess. 2 is equal to -1 squared plus, let's do some distributive property, y squared minus 8y minus 8y plus 64. So from here, we have to combine like terms. To combine like terms, it'll work like this. We know we have to factor with the y squared, so I'm going to move this 2 over. Set to equal to 0 to figure out when the x crosses the x-axis. Get our answer. So -1 times -1 is 1. So 0 equals. Let's put in descending order. First, y squared minus 16y. 64 minus 2, 62, 63 plus 63. So what leading coefficient by this, so what multiplies to 63, adds to -16. 163 doesn't work. But I do see right away that it's going to be 9 and 7. How did I see that right away? Well, 63 is divisible by 9 7 times. I know I have to make both of them negative. They're both the magic numbers. If you didn't see this right away, you do just have to kind of, work your way through it. Like 63, I believe, is divisible by 3. Of course, it would be 321, and you just keep trying to figure it out. Alright, so since we have our two magic numbers, 0 will be equal to y minus 9, y minus 7. If you can recall, it's going to be the opposite sign. So what you have here is y minus 9. That means y would have to be equal to 9, or equal that to 0. You add the 7 over, or 7. So y in this problem would be 9 or 7.